Hey, it's Sid, and if you're watching this, I know exactly what's going through your head. Another Zillow alert? Seriously? I can't compete with those all-cash offers. You're tired of being priced out, watching your timeline slip away, and feeling the constant anxiety of a market that is just not working for the average person. You're the future builder, the person who doesn't want someone else's old house problems. You want to walk out of your back door and not hear the neighbor's dog barking. You want control. You're dreaming of a place where you pick the perfect spot for the kitchen window to watch the sunrise. Well, imagine securing that dream home site today in the gorgeous white mountains of Arizona, near the quiet town of Concho. This is a private, wooded, 12.36-acre parcel. It's zoned Agriculture General, which is the golden ticket for the future builder because it means clear residential rights and the freedom to build your vision. This is your chance to stop spending your weekends driving 300 miles only to find the pictures live. I'm showing you the real thing right now. Good access off McQueen Drive, low annual taxes, and absolutely no HOA telling you what kind of fence you can build. It's an immediate base camp for camping, family time, or just escaping the constant noise. Think about that overwhelming feeling. I'm drowning in decisions. I just want a house. We understand that. That's why this opportunity is built differently. It's about letting you secure the land, the most important non-depreciating part of the dream, now, so you have years to save for the build itself. Stop postponing your legacy. Stop waiting for the market to fix itself. This is your chance to build a real, tangible, multi-generational asset. If you want the full details on how this unique land bank strategy works, click the link in the description below and fill out the form. Let's secure your space for the future.